Okay, I'm going to give you two things and you have to decide which one you want to take. Okay, the first one is we need to solve this. That's the first thing I'm going to tell you. The second thing is how can we solve this? Okay, now I want you to think about which will you prefer if I were to ask you to solve a problem. Okay, think about it. Alright. So, the first one, we need to solve this, was a statement. Okay. And how can we solve this is a question. Now, magically, when I ask you how can we solve this, your brain is already on the task of trying to solve the problem. Whereas, when we say we need to solve this, you are wondering whether I need to solve this or not. That is a decision. So, in order to go on this solving mission, the precursor to that is to change a problem statement into a problem question. So, very uniquely, design thinking has this how might we, or HMW for short. It is a very neat and a simple tool to convert problem statements into problem questions. Okay. How might we? This is all you need to do. Take the problem statements from your, after your customer journey map is done, you have a long list of problem statements. You need to convert that into a how might we. So, we noticed that Akanksha has been on the mobile device for a long time. The question is, how might we reduce the time of mobile or time spent on the mobile device? Okay. So, that can be the question. How might we reduce the snacking during her play on the mobile? So, just snacking. Okay. How might we increase time spent outdoors? Okay. So, all we did was take the questions and convert it into, take the statements and convert them into questions, as simple as that. Okay. So, but the process may be simple, but the change it does in your brain is remarkable, immeasurable. Why? Very simply, questions put us on the quest to answer them. We have been trained to answer questions, right? From our childhood days, we have been trained that whenever you find a question, you want to answer them. So, it gives brain the power and the tools to think about how do we attack this problem. Okay. So, how might we, you will find it not only at the end of empathize, but also at the end of analyze. So, in both these sections, you will have the how might we as a way to propel the solving process, the problem solving process. Okay. So, keep in mind that questions are going to be your friends to help you solve problems, to help you push you towards solutions. Okay. That's where we are headed. Okay. So, to summarize, take the problem statements one by one and convert them into how might we questions to a problem question. Okay. One tip, do not try to answer them. Okay. This is going to be where you have to stop yourself, because as I said, our training is when we see a question you want to answer them. So, till we are done with analyze, do not try to answer them. Try to find more about what the problem really is. But for that we need to know what the question is. So, we have these questions, the three questions you can see, and then proceed to find out what is the problem really going on, and then we have tools for that in analyze to exactly find out what is the problem, and then you move on to solve. Okay. So, to wait for the solutions to make in solve stage rather than at the end of empathize. Okay. So, that is it. Try this with your problem statements, take all of them one by one, convert them into how might we. This is a simple exercise, but a powerful one. The objective is powerful. Okay. Good luck with that.